Hey guys! This is the Poker's Card Opening Show. It's your bro Titus, and today I have 10 Team Up Booster Packs. And I'm trying to chase Eevee and Snorlax Tag Team cards. So wish me luck, guys. First pack, Eevee and Snorlax, my favorite. Here we go. Here we go, bum bum. Here we go, bum bum. Here we go, bum bum. Here is the code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, yeah, I think it's 4. And we start off with Metal Energy. I love the art of the new energies. Dragonair, Ingo and Emmet, Charmeleon, Helioptile with a bunch of bows in the back, Mankey, Vulpix, Pancham, Squirtles, unidentified fossil, reverse hollow, and the rare is Mandibuzz. Next pack, Gengar and Mimikyu, which is my brother's favorite. That looks like a Pikachu for some reason. Like I said, I'm chasing that Eevee and Snorlax Tag Team GX. I already have one, but I want to place it. So it might be a little hard to guess. Here is the code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we start off with Water Energy, Pupitar, Electrocharger, Charmeleon, Baby, Weedle, Helioptile, Execute, Ferost, Aegislash, Reverse Hollow, and the rare is Nidoking. Next pack, not my brother. Anyway, you know that Electro Charger that I just pulled, that trainer? I might want to get a playset. And oh, sorry, spoiler alert. We might get something good. We might get something bad. We don't know. Anyways, here's the code card. And also, I'm looking for this other thing called like buff padding or something like that. I don't know. But it gives you 50 more HP. But you have to have retreat cost of 4 energies. Next, Persian, Farfetch'd, Cosmoem, Meowth, Nidoran, Mareep, Ferost, Charmander, buff padding, oh my god, reverse hollow too, and the rare is a Velto hollow, not bad. Next pack, Celebi and Venusaur, which their their card is actually pretty good for grass type, so I would recommend it if you are a grass type user. Here is the code card. In a 1, 2, 3, 4. And we start off with Metal Energy, Ingo and Emmet, Wartortle, Tauros, Squirtle, Bronzor, Klefki, Pidgey, Emolga, a lone Geodude just sitting in sun, also reverse hollow, and the rare is a Tyranitar hollow. Next pack, Eevee and Snorlax. We're back to Eevee and Snorlax now. Okay. Can we open this? There we go. That's how you open the pack. Alright, okay, there we go. Oh, spoiler alert. Here's the code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we start off with Fighting Energy, Electrocharger, Hitmonchan running away from something, Grass Memory, Cosmog, Liden, Grimer, Execute, Larvitar, Grass Memory, Reverse Hollow, and the rare is Skymore. Halfway through and we have nothing but hollows. Maybe this last half will give us some luck things, like maybe a rainbow or another Eevee and Snorlax. Maybe, just maybe. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And we start off with Water Energy, Spiritomb, Viridian Forest, Tentacruel, Dratini, Alolan Grimer that's taking over the world, Ponyta, Cosmog, Voltorb, Spiritomb again, Mr. Mime, and what? Oh, that was reverse hollow. Sorry, guys. Okay, guys. This is our last Pikachu and Zekrom pack. So maybe it'll give us some kind of luck because it's like they're saying goodbye to us or something. I don't know. I have no idea what. Spoiler alert again. Here's the code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we start off with Dark Energy, Fairy Charm UB, War Turtle, Pupitar, Alone Grimer, Ponyta, Mareep, Charmander, oh that's really cute, Honix, ooh, Spider Thing, Reverse Hollow, and the rare is Cobalin GX Full. Oh my god! Yes, guys, let's go! Guys, I have no idea how to pronounce it, so if it's a Cobalin, tell me in the comments below. But I'm just happy that I pulled some kind of GX, and it's also full art too. Oh, okay. Here's a code card, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And we start off with Fighting Energy, Jinx, Hitmonlee, Dana, Charmander, Mankey, Litten, Emolga, Mareep, Mankey Reverse Hollow, and that's again. And the rare is Alolan Marowak. Last Eevee and Snorlax pack, and this is also our second to last pack. So there's one more pack after this one. So let's hope we can get something awesome from this pack. Here's the code card. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And we start off with Psychic Energy, Torracat, Kabuto, Nidorino, Tentacruel, Grimer, Pidgey, Dratini, Ponaward, Larvitar, Reverse Hollow, and the rare is Bronzong. Guys, this is our last pack. I'm hoping for some last pack magic because, well, we only pulled like 1 GX out of 10 packs, and that's not that good, to be honest. That's like the worst. Here is the code card, boys and girls, and everyone else. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we'll start off with Fire Energy, Kabuto, Nidorino, Vulpix, Joltik, Blitzel, Squirtle, Tentacool, Ponyta, Reverse Hollow, and the rare is oh my god, Nido full art. Oh my god, that's definitely some last pack magic. There's boys and girls and parents and all those people. So guys, we ended up with 2 awesome full art cards and a few holos and this trainer card that I was looking for my deck. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. This is Titus signing out. Peace.